This charming, one-owner home has it all. First floor master suite. Soaring two-story family room, Westwood burning fireplace that has never been used. Gas pipe for logs, newer windows throughout the home. Separate laundry room, 2 bdrms upstairs and full bath. Private backyard and patio area. 1-car garage. Pool, community west clubhouse. Close to highways and shopping. Front yard maintenance included in HOA fees. Seller to provide AHS warranty at time of closing. Roof install 2016. Showings start Saturday, June 9th at 9 a.m.